Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video, I'm going to talk about Apple Watch Series 4. And in fact, if you have been following me, just about a month ago, I had posted the unboxing of the Series 4 smartwatch. I was actually using the Series 3 earlier. I used it almost for a year. So if you want to know about the overview and general, comparison with the Series 3 physically, watch that other video. I'll leave the link. In this video, I'm going to talk about just about 2 days ago, this Apple Watch Series 4 was officially launched in India, and they also launched the cellular version. And this is the cellular version that I've started using just from yesterday. That's been about 1.5 days. And this is actually the more premium stainless steel version. And from Dubai, I had actually got this regular Series 4 aluminum version. So I'll also actually show you the difference between them, because many people were asking me what's the actual difference. And I'll also talk about the experience of using the cellular version in India. In India, actually, it works with if you have a Jio SIM or the Airtel SIM. These are the two providers that work with cellular watches with the Apple Watch. And I'll also answer a lot of questions that I was getting from you guys. You might be buying this Apple Watch for the first time, so a lot of questions. And one thing, I'll make it very clear, because I get this question a lot: you actually guys need an iPhone to make this Apple Watch work. The Apple Watch won't even activate if you don't have an iPhone. And don't expect that if you have any other iOS device like iPad, etc., it will work. You need an actual iPhone to make this work. So if you don't have an iPhone, don't get the Apple Watch. And first, let me actually, I was getting this question a lot. Let me actually physically show you the difference between this regular aluminum version and the premium stainless steel version. So guys, here is the Apple Watch, and this is actually the stainless steel version, and this is the aluminum version. And guys, both are 44 and don't worry, I just removed the strap. It's not broken, you can just slide it. And yes, even this one, actually the stainless steel version came with the same strap, but I've just replaced it with another strap. And good thing is that even with these new Series 4, you can actually use these old straps. This was one of my old straps with Series 3, so you can actually do that. And the first thing that you'll notice is the color is slightly different between these two. If you look closely, let me try to zoom in a little bit for you guys. And yes, the naming is also different. With this aluminum version, it's actually gray color, as you can see, but with the stainless steel, it's actually black. And obviously this is a little bit more glossy because it's stainless steel, but again, even this space gray, what they call, looks actually really nice in my frank opinion. Yeah, but definitely the stainless steel looks a little bit more premium and more polished. But again, it's also a fingerprint magnet because of that, as you can see. That's not the case with this one. Again, most people won't realize the difference. Yes, people who know will look at the stainless steel, and because of this, they will know it's the stainless steel version. Another big thing is that with the stainless steel version, again, it's cost significantly more. This is the more premium version, and they only come in this cellular model. Whereas with this aluminum model, as you can see, this is the non-cellular model. So you can opt for the cellular or the non-cellular model with this aluminum version. But if you're opting for the stainless steel and you're paying definitely a lot more, it's only in this cellular model, and it's generated by this red ring, as you can see. Whereas this is not there. Moving towards the back, it's almost the same, and I really like this. There was an earlier variants of Apple Watches. The cheaper ones didn't have a ceramic back, but even on this aluminum one, as you can see, this is actually having a ceramic back. So that's a good thing. And yes, obviously, even on this stainless steel version, it's a ceramic back. And in terms of functionality, it's almost the same. But now moving to the glass protection that we have on this regular aluminum version, Apple is giving us Ion X glass. This is a strengthened glass that they have. But on the premium stainless steel version, you get more premium glass that's actually sapphire glass. So definitely, yes, you're getting better build quality stainless steel body, which will be slightly more durable. And even the glass is sapphire glass. It's not to say that the glass used on this one is bad. I had the regular Series 3 aluminum one, which also had the Ion X glass, and durability of that one was also good. With almost 1 year full of usage, just I had one small scratch and I had banged it a couple of times. But yeah, definitely the stainless steel has slightly better build quality and more durable sapphire glass to boot out. And major difference, I would say, in terms of functionality, both have same functionality, so you're not losing out. You can also get the cellular version with this aluminum one. I believe in India the cellular version for this aluminum 44mm is 52,900, whereas the stainless steel version starts at 72,000. So definitely this is a lot more expensive. And biggest difference, I would say, between these two is obviously the color. This is gray, this is black, and obviously this is stainless steel, this is aluminum, and you get only the cellular variant with the stainless steel variant. So yeah, this was the big difference between the stainless steel variant and the aluminum variant, guys. And I thought to include the FAQ video, which where many of you have actually asked about specific questions of regarding this Apple Watch. But that video I shot actually, guys, and it's almost like 12 minutes long. So I'll just leave the link for that video, because otherwise this video would have become very big. Another thing is that many of you have asked me about the cellular version. This is the official version that I got it in India, and yes, I have paid it with my Jio SIM. It works with Jio and Airtel in India, and activating that cellular plan is actually very seamless. You have to just go to the watch app, guys, and here if it's the cellular version, you'll have this option of mobile data. Just go over here, and as you can see, my provider is Jio, and just click on this, and you can manage your Jio account from here. And it'll ask, mine is already paid, guys, and here you just enter your Jio number and your password, and it'll automatically get paid with your cellular model. It was a very seamless experience. I thought it would have been very complicated. I would have to go to a Jio showroom, whatever, get it activated, but you can do it yourself within 2 minutes. So anyways, guys, also watch the other video that I posted, where it's the FAQ video about this Apple Watch, where I answer about 10 or 11 questions that were your user questions. And I think so if someone is buying Apple Watch for the first time, that video actually answers a lot of valid questions. So anyways, guys, that's it for now for this video. If you have any other questions regarding this one, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.